Hook. Did you know that over 70% of home cooks say they struggle with efficiency in the kitchen? Crazy, right? Or maybe you found yourself wrestling with a dull knife or a flimsy peeler while trying to whip up a meal. Let's talk about how the right kitchen gadgets can make all the difference. Introduction. Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets, specifically the must-have tools for 2024. Having the right gadgets can totally transform your cooking experience, making it not only easier but also a lot more fun. So, let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's get real for a second. If you're like most home cooks, you've probably faced some common challenges in the kitchen. Maybe you struggle with prep time, or perhaps you find it hard to get creative with your meals. Without the right tools, cooking can feel more like a chore than a joy. Imagine trying to slice through veggies with a dull knife or measuring ingredients with inaccurate tools. It can be frustrating, and it often leads to less than delightful results. So, it's clear that having the right kitchen gadgets is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for making cooking efficient and enjoyable. Exploration/development. Alright, let's explore